Good morning. I'm in downtown Fethiye in our Airbnb. Very quiet this morning. In the distance, we have a view of the ruins from the old castle. Most importantly, like the things that we'll be doing is going to see a gorge. We're going to go see almost treehouse-like place that has beautiful springs. There's a river. There'll be food. There's lots of fun things that we'll be seeing today. We are getting ready to go. Nope, they're closed. I wanted to get this thing to carry my phone and they're closed. We're here in our car. We're getting a ride to start our tour today. It's just the three of us. So last time we went with a big group, but tour season is coming down a little bit. So we are getting a private tour of sorts, even though we didn't mean that to happen. Okay, never mind. I was mistaken. We do have a group, which actually makes it way more fun. We're all on our van. We're in the front and we're going to be hanging out in this safari van all day, going from place to place. They're gearing up for the water fight. Maitland is so hesitant to do this. Yes. I made a friend. She's from Russia. Okay, we're gonna touch fish. They're so friendly. So here's the zip line area.
Why are you getting me when I look like this?
Why you give me when you look like this?
Open your hands. Yeah.
Anything new this time, James, about the zip line?
No, actually, at first I thought it was a different route, but when you go down there, you see it's the same. You do like a U.
Yeah, because this spot looks different than last.
It does.
Yeah, I think we just came up a different way. But I think this is the really old tree, isn't it? There was a route we went, remember?
Yep.
Welcome to Yucca Park. James is gonna go under the waterfall.
This is like the tiny, shiny home.
Very nice ice cream. Thank you. Okay.
You're being attacked.
Oh no, left side. You are the same.
This is our lunch location. We've got salads, and then we each have
Have a
tickets.
seat, please. First of all, have a seat.
Okay, which tables?
This table goes like that.
Yeah, I got the omelet, and then they have a salad bar. Maitland also got the omelet, and James got the chicken. How do you like the chicken? You? Good. Okay.
Can I try reverse? It goes on the right side to the Mediterranean Sea, 17 kilometers.
So Maitland and I are not going to do the river today because we're just still recovering and I can't get water in my ears. She doesn't want to try it, but James is going to do it because he loves river.
I can feel it. Ah, that was cold. This is freezing. This water is so cold. I'd say it feels like it's about 6 degrees Celsius, negative 6 degrees Celsius. Maybe not.
Look how beautiful this river is. Here's our group coming. Let's see if we can find James. I think I see him. He's right there in the back of our group holding his paddle up. Was that fun? Okay, looks like we're gonna get soaked. It's already soaked. That was fun.
We didn't do that last time.
Yeah, we didn't do that last time. That was so much fun. I need to go dry my ears though. The water here is so pretty. So we pulled over at this little place here. Has goodies, self-service. You have like different snacks you can get. Ooh, and look at this really awesome oven. I think those are so cool. I'd love to have something like that. And over here, there's a shower area. So we just pulled over here afterwards to kind of get cleaned up before we go to the gorge. Okay, now we're heading to the gorge. We are the orange truck. This is the gorge. Look how gorgeous. We know where they got the word gorgeous from. So we're all wearing hats in case rocks fall. Don't crush our brains. So it's full of people in here. It feels so nice and cool. There's a nice breeze coming through here and the water is clear and blue.
Making a shot of you in it?
So there's a lot less water in here this time. We are getting drinks while we're here. I'm gonna have a Turkish tea and enjoy this beautiful view. These are the little tables. They're very, very short little tables. It was nice. We enjoyed our Turkish tea and now we're going to head back to the van. James has misplaced his phone and we want to make sure we can retrieve it. Hopefully it's in the van. Oh, I guess he's testing the helmet. They removed the swing that was here. Oh, fish therapy. I've always wanted to do that. Look at this fun restaurant right here. So our friend Victor is gonna let us use his car tomorrow and we're gonna come back here for lunch. They have some great restaurants and shopping, but I wanna see, okay, it's 300 Turkish liras. We made it back to the van and next we go and do the mud bath. You're dying to do the mud bath, right?
We're doing a mud bath after this?
Yeah, no, you're not feeling it? Yeah, we're a bit under the weather, but it's been really fun. But yeah, I'm probably gonna nix on the mud bath too. We got chicken. We're gonna grab a table. Look at you guys. You all look so cute, so fabulous. Okay, everybody's gonna be doing this mud bath here. I have no intentions to do this mud bath, but let's go check it out nonetheless.
Great. Come on.
You can do it.
No flyer.
Maitland just had a chicken jump on her. You're just sitting there just like chicken bait. We had a pancake. We're all loaded in the car, got cleaned up a bit, and we have the gentleman that helped us earlier picked us up, so we get to have a quiet, nice air conditioning drive home. Okay, we've just arrived back. It's been a lovely day. We're gonna go get cleaned up and get some food. Kid's smoking a cigarette. Oh my gosh, is there? Okay, well, we are winding down our evening. We brought in takeout. Nightlife is going on. I haven't shown you guys how fun the street is out here. We got clothes hanging out. We've been doing laundry. Okay, this is 8:07, but it stays this busy until midnight. Okay, I'm heading to bed. James keeps the house so cold that I'm sleeping in a sweatshirt. Okay, but James is still working, so good night.
Bye. I'll do the eyes.